am Nur Alisa Liana binti Abdul Rashid.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Hani Samira binti Hasnain.
Hi, my name is Natasha Safira binti Muhammad Sani.
Hello, my name is Shimalata, anak perempuan dan apa.
Hi, my name is Zadiati Irma.
My name is Nomasiza binti Matsuri.
The field sampling techniques we use in the sampling is sampling using quadrat. Count all the individuals on several quadrats of known size and then to extrapolate the average count to the whole area. Require first, the population of each quadrat examined must be determined accurately. Second, the area of each quadrat must be known. Third, the quadrats counted must be representative of the whole area, which is random sampling.
Field equipment handling skills. Let's see how we observe the birds by using binoculars. Step 1. Open the lid on the front and side of the eye. Step 2. Hang the binocular strap around the neck. Next, place the binocular near your eyes and adjust them according to the comfort of the eyes. Birds are observed through binoculars. After the binoculars are used, we need to reclose the two front lenses and cover them with a lid to prevent from being damaged and scratched. Then, keep it in a safe place.
Specimen handling techniques. In this ecosystem study, we did not apply any specimen handling technique in our study. It is because we did not catch any birds during field sampling. There are because we just only used binoculars to observe the bird. And we only took the picture of birds that appear in field sampling.
The name of our sampling technique is observation by capturing the sample. Function of the sampling technique. Firstly, an observation is a data collection method by which we gather knowledge of the research phenomena through making observation when it occurs. So, by this method, we are able to get a very accurate and reliable data collection and also improves precision of the research result.
Binocular. The function of binocular. Binocular are two telescopes mounted side by side and aligned to point in the same direction, allowing the viewer to use both eyes when viewing distant objects. The parts in binocular. These are the image of the parts in binocular. Number 1. Objective length. It determines how much light the binocular are able to gather from the target. They capture the available light and then direct it into eyepiece, which allows the viewer to see the object. Number 2. Eyepiece length. When the objective lens collects the light and bring it to focus creating the image, the eyepiece which is placed near the focal point of the objective lens, then magnifies the image. Number 3. Prisms. When the objective lens gathers light and creates the image, when it gets to focus on the eyepiece, it will be viewed as inverted image. And to correct the inverted image, prisms are introduced. Number 4. Focus wheel. The focus wheel often located near the eyepiece. It can either be between the lenses or the eyepiece. The purpose for focus wheel is to focus the image. Number 5. Diopter knob. The diopter is a ring directly situated behind the eyepiece lens. It permits you to individually focus the eyepiece lenses.
Process and function in sampling technique. Observation, capture. Observation is like bird watching to see the birds. It can't be done with naked eyes through a visual enhancement device like binocular. Capture. We just snap the picture by using a camera or phone camera. Burung tiung gembala kerbau, lebih dikenali sebagai burung awang. Burung layang-layang. Dove atau burung marbuk. House sparrow atau burung pipit rumah. Boxer birds